Hi, Deirdre here, and this is the payroll sheet. So here we have different people listed out on the left hand side. The column B then holds the number of hours that they worked. Column C then is telling you how much they're getting per hour. And then column D is how many hours of overtime that they worked. So these overtime hours are in addition to the standard hours that they worked. So we know that they're getting $9.50 per hour, and we know that the overtime rate is time and a half. So to work out what the overtime rate is going to be, we're just going to start off and say equals whatever they're getting normally per hour multiplied by 1.5, and that'll bring it up to time and a half. Okay, so their overtime rate, here are their overtime rates, and we can drag it down. Now, I might just put on my wrap text to make that a bit easier to see. Okay, and stretch that out. Okay, so our standard wages then are going to be the 40 multiplied by the 9.5. Okay, so equals the 40 star the 9.5. And I'm just going to do it the whole way across. So this is going to be the 10 multiplied by the 14.25. So the overtime hours multiplied by the overtime rate. And then this is going to be the addition of the standard wages plus the overtime wages. Now I can select all three and in one go drag it down. And then I'll get my totals down the bottom. And correct, and then click and drag it across. Okay, so I might just shrink that one in there, and I line up my headings and right align those so they're sitting nicely over the numbers, and I'll use merge and center at the top and increase my font, increase the font, and then maybe move it over to something else. Okay. And put on my borders and shading. Okay. So all of these ones here have been calculated. So I want to make it obvious which ones have been calculated and which ones haven't. Okay.